Hey guys, Tank here. I just received a package from Amazon. These are the AWANFI batteries. So this is how it comes in this small little box, that it's got a warning that it is batteries that are in there. And let's take a closer view on what's in the double pack for the AWANFI batteries. So these are the two packs of the 1500 milliamp 2S 45C batteries. Now these are smaller batteries, which are going to be good for crawlers and also in my other cars. So you do get a card, you do get little stickers to put on your truck, and you get a battery strap on every batteries you get, which is very nice because they come handy to put some in the new builds I'm going to be doing, and to actually secure your batteries in your car. So here's the battery, 2S. There's two cells. They are the soft packs, 7.4 volt, 45C. So very nice compact version of it. And you do get little instruction of how to take care and how to manage your batteries. Always good to go through it if you don't know Lipos. So again, you get a little card, you get your battery strap, you get your AWANFI stickers for your car, and you get the battery. It's nice that it has this white plastic on it to do a strain relief on these connectors. Because after a while, these connectors takes a beating in the car, and it's nice that they reinforce it now. These do come with the DIN connectors. If you don't like them, you can always resolder your own. You do have a little precaution here. But in the package you get from Amazon.ca, you get these two little batteries. Let's see how big they are. Okay. So usually you measure the battery from this area, but I like to measure it from where it's actually going to be with the cable. So if I go from the cable to here, I got about 7.5 centimeters or 75 millimeter. Here again, you get 35 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter. And the thickness are 17, 1.7 centimeters or 17 millimeter thick. But again, if you put them in your car, you do have this to deal with, but it bends pretty good. I do have my Lipo checker, so these batteries were not charged yet. They were directly out of the pack. Let's see how they are with the tester right out of the box. So we got 54%, 3.87. And the other one is 56%. So these come not in storage mode, but they are not fully charged also. They're about halfway. So let's charge them up, put it in the car, and test them out. Lock and load. That's a fail. There we go. We just took a nice walk with the Losi Mini 8 with the 1500 milliamp batteries. And this is basically a dynamite with a 3800 kV motor. And we had on one pack about 45 minutes of drive time on it, which was pretty good. So I was going fast, slow, but it was a nice little walk for about 45 minutes. And then I had to change back. So let's check the batteries and check the cells on it real quick. So on one pack, we have 36% left on one pack. And on the other one, we have 6%. So this is the one that we used all the way, and we used the other one for the rest of the walk that we did. So like you noticed, the batteries did pretty much drained equally, which is good. Well guys, thanks for watching. The AWANFI batteries are working very good for me, and keep having fun guys. Keep those batteries charged, and go get them dirty. Keep having fun guys. Keep those batteries charged, and go get them dirty.